NDC no ameme mu national chairman. Yes, Emma President Mahama enko engage in Bawumia in any debate, in any shape or form. There are two people NCC Nyansani bia ni womoye debate. Two categories of people. Nyansani bia ni womoye debate. Baako a fool and an idiot. And I said, fool and an idiot. Never argue with a fool because people will not know the difference.
When na Emma and Kolaba mumu adiem. Because when me they be ameka me say the seat of the presidency of Ghana. Sesebe aponchekwa not to he is my president. Yenye nyama dignified. Adentina wo ye chairman papa penu say. Na ye bisa wasema wo say we don't debate with fools. Who is a fool? Sana Osanko can say any idiot can go to court. After court, friend, catch him and say you are sick. Court in the for the after there, you are not an idiot. You are even worse than an idiot. So you couldn't even go to court. Hello, I have Xposed GHFM members. Now what you sembia beba na mpese meka asembi. Pacho program amatu di mi Ghana ni unsu Ghana ni ana. Asem sebe na mibisa. Asiedu Nketia, NDC chairman. O kan sembia me no enya political ba me feel say we nyina na Emma Nkwala ba mumu ade no. Because when me be, they be ameka me say the seat of the presidency of Ghana. Sesebe aponchekwa not to he is my president. Yenye nyama dignified. Anentina make us our station mission and near Bisan say simple question. Will John Mahama debate Yewa Bawumia? Na some kind mean to minka. Ba meraho pa yanko tie nia Asiedu Nketia kan ne ye ba. Machem ne tia meraho yanko mra.
And that must go debate.
You make a was say, we see and no so I say.
We could debate. But before that, no FSHs, young can more critical.
Shit. My lips. Say make I say NDC for.
You know, Cameron, you so Ghana for sure.
Young women, Manu Sem now Munti, the film and Mumba say, young NDC no, I'm a national chairman. Yes, say. Emma President Mahama enko engage in Bawumia in any debate, in any shape or form.
Senti.
Oh, sir. But she and Nema be brave. Nema me who know philosophy money is. But compa Nema me no pa ma who know money say. A bomb home by me, the politician say. There are two people. NCC Nyansani bia ni womoye debate. Two categories of people. Nyansani bia ni womoye debate. Baako a fool and an idiot. And I said, fool and an idiot. Never argue with a fool because people will not know the difference. The thoughts, I hope it doesn't apply to, in this case, His Excellency Vice President. Because I don't know him to be a fool. The second one, never argue with a liar because they believe in their own lies. You can't win because they believe in their own lies. Inti ene kwadonto nya chinye because uguswa ono no ja chinya eti sede ono sebe prekwa oda dontodiem duka se ono no kokon a obetwen wakotum so inti no se wudware na sebi bodamfo ebe fawo ntoma wawura gu ha udware no na odwane ko na ka se wo so wo ho semina huro no nyina udi pie na wa chesi bodamfo a obi gyancha obehu nipa mienu no de wa bodam obehu difference
there
so enunti ne say ene kwado nto bia anya chinye Ena trofo so no. So only trofo eje chinya. Die besi ni tirimu bia no aka. Trofo a oye intelligence. Until America say the other side of idiocy near the and apply to Bawumia. Granted, so you're intelligent. But trofo are intelligent, you're very dangerous. Because ubi chantro a police why and said the ube jedi. And now no believe in Nentrono. Enti bibia ni wa fax bia ni wa obeka obejetum.
Okay.
He will still be of the opinion because he's believing in his own lies. And now, Adia Abua o my Ghana ni say, Dr. Bawumia de someone mutihui achinyebia ni hu say or can someone he doesn't mean it. Because someone waka nyina mo obia ka say obiebie ne nsem so a ene abefo ne maye abai ne videos no na dia ko social media de omo ye no a say you don't need any other evidence to prove say Dr. Bawumia a liar.
Okay.
Into our second category no. Na nyansafo aka say don't argue with trofo.
Yeah, a liar.
A liar. Enunti no said they make luckily wakasa mobia hu the nature and what he is. We're creating records over the past so many years ago. No, a creating credibility crisis on the whole population. He has a huge work to do to debate his own record. Some me can say, na nye say na me chere, ana say the NTF say me can say no any. He has that work to do. I say so ko discharge. Na obeka say every bi o say wabisa amisa ata 170 questions. Nti mpacha o ye exam na o set questions ya. Anya bia say na o marking scheme. Nti nipa no be answer wanti me answer. So the marking scheme no be chere.
Yes.
He has a lot of work to do by way of providing answers to his own 170 questions. He should go out there. Media for more, no one starting answers our questions, no.
The same questions now set him out.
That's a question. Now, question is, what's a thousand question? Not the action, so an answer. Say, go, yeah. Into no uncle for no answer.
Did you know
about now? Into we are saying, say, there is this work for him to do, Uncle. Finally, say, when we were calling for a debate previously, Bawumia ne beya no enya na Akufo-Addo Bawumia ne beka say economy no aye running no the impact no eko workers so eko market women so eko kaya yefo so eko GPRT yefo so ne ade ade enti mahama nko debate sa nkofo no
oh
mpacho sa nkofo o ma firi o man mu
David on firi.
A very unfortunate statement from a chairman of a leading opposition party. Debia Mibisa say the posture of the NDC is questionable. And then Debia they look like they are going to war. And then NDC Debia we posture here we are going for war. And now a mamo sa to try some posture no. And then now we chairman Papa Penmu say now you bisa wasema say we don't debate with fools. Who is a fool? Sana Osanko can say any idiot can go to court. After court for catch him say you are sick. Court in the for the after you are not an idiot, you are even worse than an idiot, so you couldn't even go to court. Is that what you are saying? She ye wo member me say ye nkola no omo hwe na omo tie ne ye bia. Hwe ayayi ya ba nkola ye nipa miensa na me de besi omo so. E say dicate ya ono kire obi ayeya Ghana no matter sami jefi uka so bi ana no japa e ono a the next one is abronye One also and or ya of anqua. But when them there shouldn't be what we call role models. I'm telling you. I don't think I ain't to mean kasa without insults. Politics in the Senate here. Me ko say, me ko say. Anka we ye bi. Enye Ghana ba ko ne pe. Na eba election a wo fro be the fool. No, obi so for stupid that. Will you be happy? Ye nyi ma ye njimi sa. Ye njimi sa enya fe. One of my yamas say nkola mu ade nkola ka omboso asem e chempadifo because manu kasa eye time. Politics inti unia nya unia na. Me de unia ya unia because sabe wo ye Ghana ni dia na abakeke ne yakwakoto aba mu ba ma ba wie sika. Enu nti na wo na wo fe the vice president of the Republic of Ghana F00ls na akaw kakra. Na nsem obebi sasa de na okahwe ya yesi ya ne abedu ha o. Ya yesi ya ne abedu ha. Niam bi say and the tensions are rising. Now this time can find wiser. Musa party politics no confirm share the near chire bebre. Yes, election year. But look at it. Because obian who say say me dwen me ho enye say me dwen party ho. O dwen party na akosi say. Ya fa no to nchai. Na Saturday ya massive NDC. Holding rally. I want nothing region. Massive. The word is massive crowd. Now, hono, ya papa John Mahama kika nsembi. Adalin members to kika nsembi. Pese kwa the crowd no. As a CIC MPP for you must show mono. Yanko hemra.
Ghana, you shall change is coming. Ghana. Tamale. Colleagues. If our country is going to make progress, if Ghana is going to be the Ghana you and I want, then to the young people of this country, this is a clarion call to all of us that we step out, support the NDC and the vision of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, so that he rescues this country from the hands of the inept, corrupt NPP administration. Asiedu, I have 3 messages for some people in government. The first is to the president we elected. We elect government to solve problems. We've elected again, that has become a problem. We are entering.
It's a very nice thing. Meme dear, me say eya adwen kire keke. Whether we NDC yo, we MPP ni we minia, CPP, one ya we minia. Enti adwen kire John Mahama oye me wo fan ka me pe. Akufo-Addo me wo fan ka me pe. What you say? This is a massive crowd. Na emunu na ye papa John Mahama kika nsem bi. Oso no oni mobile no na onim se onyenje. O make mistakes or admit here. But or admit here unima. Owi no ka say but can go again no while learning from his mistakes. Okanyama miensa and me I'll hold him to it. Oba no anya I'll hold him. Number 1, o say keta se hye proye. Also so someone administration oya obeyi wedi. Number 2, onim said current government on omu wie sika to obape obechichiomo. The third one is that I say obe constitutional reforms. I just say constitutional one ye be sakrem e ho na emede no. I say ye be sakrem and producers all the people vote. I and ye minim sa. But me can wait there to video wait there to na me the be holding no in case of bad power. Se nyama we went here you see dey bia make say constitution na aye to say one man rulership no emwa Ghana for Ghana ko babia we need to have diverse people coming to the presidency. National unity program oko China and Singapore. How did they get where they are? Every baby no all national unity way. No, I'm say where do we want China to go? Because no America far ahead. So what they did is that they elected people who are intellectuals. Sebe, yeah, they are intellectuals, no, on their chrononym, but almost other intellectuals that they want the good of the country. And so I say, some national way no money are picking the back. Yeah, the ideology has been set already. Only say China, Okobo Kronwa, ye trouty, ye kun. Oh, ya buying you now Bokrono China, they'll kill you. Other Asia countries in sanity, Africa, dear, oh, ya near ambassadorial position. ambassador near the moment because when we sika no okọ ba bi ntimi nchew. That is what it is. It say you do point NDC, MPP, CPP, butterfly them we na brought together. Na mo ka say oman no asai. Baby ye person de kon enye ye. This constitution is bogus. Yen national unity way. Na yen picking intellectuals from every party. Say best of MPP, NDC. Yen for brought together. Na yen picking back after every war whatever year. Na yen the ideology of Ghana. Yen push Ghana forward. That is the way to push Ghana forward. Ya nya way. Na ye jina woni ye kwase asem sa ase ye Ghana ye be market times ye kwayechi. Because we don't even have an identity. Ye ni ideology, we don't have identity. It will be a sorry or ye say no ye say. Na say friend say omom dia boda no. Ye say no mo jiska no mo je. Na go for the name of am say afa no mate. This is an open secret. Because abai ne ba the way to me appointing people no e bogus. O to me appointing ni pa ma e broso. The constitution is not right. It's yera John Mahama. Constitutional reforms, I hope say you are going to touch the executive. You are going to touch the legislature and then the judiciary. Let the legislature and judiciary be what? Truly independent. Independence means say Chief Justice and yes a government na so by appointing the BM. Independence means say IGP and your government na by appointing the BM. Independence means say every state etimi check government no should not be picked by what? The government. Cocoa board in your man almost saying is because the government has been appointing them. No more. When election here, maybe the youth of today make catch them here. And court no be more wasum. Obi bo wasum pa, wadwi nya adwuma. Obi papa na okokopa adwuma. Ma ne kopa ne hwe wadwuma so ye. Edu abato na akoto wi akofie because Ghana needs you alive. Politicians in the no mo ye na etobe and tronko a. Enti won so di omachi na bibi ye na kowu a eyewo a. Utie mi ebeboa. I expose you chefem bembro so sham na frame a mejo so. O subscribe no bi nso nya bi hwe. Mano esi bye bye.